Hey, so this may or may not confuse you, but for those of you who find that having a beat count really helps with learning some of the moves, I'm going to try sharing something that I learned about the difference between overhand and underhand matadors. So again, if you find this a bit confusing, if the beat count messes you up, if you're not that kind of person, you can ignore this video. But if the beat count helps you, then definitely try this out. So what I noticed is with the overhand matador, you have two beats on each side, right? You go 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. What typically happens with the overhand matador is your 1 is when you cross over. So you have 1, 2, 1, 2, 2 beats on each side. And you initiate right away when you cross over. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. With underhand, the beat count is actually the opposite. Because what's going to happen is when you bring it over to the other side, your crossover creates that one beat on that same side and then goes over to the opposite side right away. So I can't go 1, 2. You notice that's actually the first rotation on my left side, right? So the beat count is actually 2, 1 instead. So what you do is you go 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. So opposite instead of 1, 2, 1, 2. From overhand, 1, 2, cross 1, 2, cross 1, 2. With the underhand, your cross is 2. 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. So again, you can ignore this if the beat count is actually making it more confusing for you, but for those of you who find it useful to understand the beat counts, remember that when you switch from overhand to underhand, the beat will become the opposite. Not only with the matador, let's say if you're doing a bowler, if you're going overhand bowler and you're trying to unlock the overhand bowler matador, you go 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, sorry. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. With the underhand, it's the opposite. You go 2, 1. So you swing up first and then you go to the other side, swing up, other side, swing up, other side, swing up, other side, swing up, other side. 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. So your beat count is going to change.